Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to go over just the template I created, a corporate bingo game if you will. So it's just a fun little game for those people who are stuck at the office or working remotely, dealing with, hearing the same old phrases from their bosses or their coworkers. So this is dedicated to you, and just an example of some of the cool things you can do in Excel, that don't require a whole lot of advanced skill set to be able to pull off. So what I've done here is I've created a bingo card with some of my most dreaded corporate phrases on here. So how this list works is, you just enter the values in here that you want to use. They'll populate onto here, as well as the center square. And so if you want to generate a new bingo card, just set up a shortcut, Control-Shift-N, and it's going to randomize everything back for you. And so it works the same way as if you're playing bingo. So here, I'm going to double click on this cell. It's going to put an X. Double click on this one. I don't need to do the center square because obviously the center square is a free one. Double click here, and boom, it's going to highlight it in red that, hey, I've got a diagonal on here. So if I'm done, Control-Shift-N, start a new game all over again. This time I'll go, vertically down here, get this column, Control-Shift-N, create it, boom, and it creates a new one each time. So just a fun little game to help you pass along the time if you're stuck in a boring meeting or a call, play with your coworkers. And I've also made it so that you can easily hide this, if for whatever reason if you're doing this at the office, let's say, and if you want to quickly hide something, Control-Shift-Z is going to automatically hide it, and now you've got just a blank sheet one. So in order for this to work, you do have to keep the sheet names the same, just so the macro knows what to look for. If I hit Control-Shift-Z again, it is going to populate that sheet back up. So just a quick video to go over this with you, and hope you have some fun, and hope this helps cure any boredom you're dealing with on your calls.